Hello everyone, my name is Dayana Melo. I am 29 years old. I am from San Sebastián de Mariquita, and at the moment I am working as an English teacher for children. I am studying the bachelor degree in foreign language with emphasis in English. I am a preschool teacher, but at the moment I am enjoying teaching for children English. I love children, they give me life, so I'm very happy to doing that, and I am improving with them my English level and my abilities to teach. I'm very happy in this moment because I am working in that. I have my family. I have a daughter who is 6 years old. I have my husband. We usually like to travel a lot. I love the beach, so always we try to go to the beach. I train in CrossFit. I think sport is very important in our lives. I am training all days at 7 o'clock a.m. and I'm very happy to be starting and to meet you and continue my learning process. I need to improving and get better in my level. So thanks for watching my video. I hope give my better. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.